Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll go through the vocabularies of musculoskeletal system. The musculoskeletal system is composed of muscles, bones and joints. In today's session, we'll go through the vocabularies of muscles, bones and joints. Under muscles, abduction, movement away from the midline of the body. Adduction, movement toward the midline of the body. Dorsiflexion, backward bending of the foot. Extension, straightening of a flexed limb. Fascia, fibrous membrane separating and enveloping muscles. Flexion, bending. Insertion of a muscle, connection of the muscle to the bone that moves. Origin of a muscle, connection to the muscle to a stationary bone. Plantar flexion, bending the sole of the foot downward toward the ground. Pronation, turning the palm backward. Rotation, circular movement around a central point. Skeletal muscle, muscle connected to bones, voluntary or striated muscle. Smooth muscle, muscle connected to internal organs, involuntary or visceral muscle. Striated muscle, skeletal muscle. Supination, turning the palm forward. Visceral muscle, smooth muscle. Under bones, acetabulum, rounded or socket in the pelvic bone where the thigh bone joins with the pelvis. Acromion, outward extension of the shoulder bone forming the point of the shoulder. Articular cartilage, thin layer of cartilage at the ends of long bones. Calcium, one of the mineral constituents of bone. Cartilage tissue, flexible, rubbery, connective tissue found on joint surfaces and in the embryonic skeleton. Compact bone, hard, dense bone tissue. Condyle, knuckle-like process at the end of a bone near the joint. Cranial bones, normally skull bones are known as the cranial bones, and the bones of skull are ethmoid, frontal, occipital, parietal, sphenoid and temporal. Diaphysis, shaft or mid portion of a long bone. Disc, flat, round, plate-like structure. An intervertebral disc is a fibrocartilaginous substance between the vertebra. Epiphyseal plate, cartilaginous area at the ends of long bones where lengthwise growth takes place. Epiphysis, each end of a long bone. Facial bones, bones of the face are lacrimal, mandible, maxilla, nasal, vomer and zygomatic. False ribs, ribs from 8 to 10. Fissure, narrow slit-like opening between the bones. Floating ribs, ribs 11 and 12. Fontanelle, soft spot between the skull bones of an infant. Foramen, opening or passes in the bones where blood vessels and nerves enter and leave. The foramen magnum is the opening of the occipital bone through which the spinal cord passes. Fossa, shallow cavity in a bone. Malleolus, round process on both sides of the ankle joint. Mastoid process, round projection on the temporal bone behind the ear. Medullary cavity, central hollowed out area in the shaft of a long bone. Olecranon, large process forming the elbow. Osseous tissue, bone tissue. Ossification, process of bone formation. Osteoblast, bone cell that helps form bone tissue. Periosteum, membrane surrounding bones. Phosphorus, mineral substance found in bones in combination with calcium. Yellow bone marrow, fatty tissue found in the diaphysis of a long bone. Pubic symphysis, area of fusion of two pubic bones. They are joined by a piece of fibrocartilage. Sinus, cavity within a bone. Styloid process, pole-like process on the temporal bone. Trochanter, large process below the neck of the femur. Tubercle, small rounded process of a bone. Tuberosity, large rounded process of a bone. Vertebra, backbone composed of vertebral body, vertebral arc. Spinous process, transverse processes, lamina and neural canal. Gifford process, lower narrow portion of the sternum. Under joints, articulation, joint. Bursa, sac of fluid near a joint. Ligament, connective tissue binding bones to other bones, supports and strengthens the joint. Suture joint, type of joint in which opposed surfaces are closely united. Synovial cavity, space between bones at a synovial joint. Synovial joint, a freely movable joint. Synovial membrane, membrane lining the synovial cavity. Tendon, connective tissue that binds muscles to bones. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and to hit the bell icon for the upcoming videos.